I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make lemonade 1 cup. Making a single serving of lemonade is surprisingly simple and quick. You'll only need a few basic ingredients: fresh lemons, granulated sugar, and cold water. This guide focuses on creating a perfectly balanced, refreshing drink just for you. Let's gather our ingredients and get started on this delightful beverage. Now let's get that fresh lemon juice. Take 1 large lemon and cut it in half. Using a juicer or by hand, squeeze out about 1/4 cup of juice. Make sure to remove any seeds. Once you have your juice, pour it directly into your serving cup. Then, add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar to the lemon juice. This combination forms the base of our delicious lemonade. With the lemon juice and sugar in your cup, it's time to mix. Stir vigorously for about 30 seconds until the sugar completely dissolves. Next, pour in 1 cup of cold water. Give it another good stir. Now for the best part, taste your lemonade. If it's too tart, add a small pinch more sugar. If it's too sweet, a tiny splash of water will balance it out perfectly. Your homemade lemonade is almost ready to enjoy. For a truly refreshing experience, add a few ice cubes to your cup. If you're feeling fancy, a thin lemon slice on the rim or a fresh mint sprig makes a lovely garnish. Serve your lemonade immediately to savor its crisp, cool flavor. You've just made a delicious, single-serving lemonade, perfect for any time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.